guys, Singing Flamingo here, and today I have a guest, Carmela.
Hi everybody.
Okay, so today, as you can see in the title, we are going to be attempting, not world record, to make the world's largest slime bubble. So, without anything else to do, let's go. Okay. Let's do it. Oh no, what is that? Hold on, guys. Tiny grass piece. There we go. Oh. Alright, you guys ready? Sadly, you might only be able to see the bubble. Okay, let's do this. And 1, 2, 3. That was horrible. Here, I'll scoot you guys up to where you can see the floor. There. Okay, let's attempt it again.
The slime just farted.
It's fluffy slime. Oh, that's a big bubble. No. 1, 2, 3. What was that?
3.
Okay, let's do another one.
Wait, can I
Wait,
show
you
you
can't even
something?
see us.
Can I show you something?
You need to scoot back.
Wait, spread the slime out all over the grass.
Scoot back.
It's another slime bubble.
Scoot back.
Put it.
Oh yeah, so like spread it out first. Okay, now do it.
No. So when you spread it out, you can go like this. So ready?
Oh, you popped a hole in
messed
it.
up.
You popped a hole. Okay, let's just do the video.
Okay.
Wait, no. Like spread it out first. Spread it out and okay, and get up. No, you scoop back and go. No, I meant scoop back and 3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
No! Oh my gosh! No! Oh god!
Lila!
I'm sorry. Oh no! I'm not. Now imagine how it must feel at Nickelodeon Awards.
Okay, let me go take a shower.
Okay.
Put it in your hair so we can return these. And then
I'm pretty sure it
we
will come
need a
out of my
big
hair.
bubble.
Hey guys.
Did you really put it in?
Yeah, I did. It's stuck now.
No, I want both of us to take a shower.
Hey, I got it out somehow. Did I? Wait, did I actually just get it out? I actually just got it out. Okay, let me get yours out. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties.
Okay, I got it. I'm gonna go take a
No,
shower.
I can do it.
No, we're taking a shower. I won't.
Okay, I'll get back to the video
You
without.
can come to the bathroom with me. Just
They're still there. They've been here the whole time. I can get it out.
I need a bathing suit so you can go in there with me and help me. Oh, I can go in the sink. Leave my hair back in the sink.
Oh yeah, that's what I would do.
Let's go.
No, in this sink.
Your mom's gonna kill me.
There is a huge bathroom in here. What am I doing? Sorry guys, I just had to do this. It feels like a stress reliever.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I think I got it
To
on my
the
clothes.
bathroom.
It's on my clothes!
It is?
No, not anymore. Okay, so guys, she's gonna stick her head in the sink. Oh my, I feel so bad for you.
My mom. Wait, should we FaceTime my mom?
No.
She's gonna get so
Okay,
mad.
so technical difficulties, guys.
Really bad. Lila? the boys come in, we're busted.
It's literally wrapped around in your hair. There's a bubble in your hair. Hey, this could be a new look.
Let's go to the
Oh
store.
I'm gonna make it worse.
Stop.
No, I'm getting it out. Oh my gosh. It's really stuck in there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a shower now. If I had a bathing suit, I would.
I can let you use it in mine. I've done it to a friend before. Oh.
Oh my arm.
Wait, I got some out. I got some out.
It's hanging from the bottom of my head.
Okay, sorry guys. This is not going well. In just technically 6 minutes into the video, we've literally already killed your hair. It's on your arm.
I know.
Do you want a bathing suit for my please?
Yeah, let's
Okay,
bye.
sorry guys, we gotta go. See you in the next one.